The Haynes Motor Museum in Somerset, southwest England, is a hidden gem for motoring enthusiasts. It was founded in 1985 by John Haynes, the creator of the iconic Haynes Manuels of motor cars. The collection began as a personal passion project and has grown into one of the UK's largest collection of historic cars and motorcycles. A visit begins with a tribute to John Haynes and his car repair manuals, once a staple of the British motoring world.
Mode of typing up pages directly onto paper. Corrections could only be made by retyping.
The trail through the museum starts with the dawn of motoring and vintage cars. The Red Room is rather self-descriptive. Oddly, among all these red sports cars are no Ferraris. They have their own room. My friend's dad had a Triumph TR3, red like this one. My first car was a Triumph Spitfire Mark III, except in more traditional British racing green. The Traveling in Style section is for luxury motoring through the years. This Lagonda, stunning. One of my favorites, the Bentley. And of course, the Rolls-Royce, 1932 Sedanza Touring Coupe. This room is called Memory Lane, rather a garage theme for these classics. Here are the Ferraris. I love this 250, watched over by old Enzo Ferrari himself. The Hall of Motorsport. I had a slot car version of this Jaguar D-Type. This is a replica. This section is called the American Dream. It's a big room for big cars. Can't miss the distinctive DeLorean. Some beautiful Corvettes. The Great British Marques room features sports brands, Aston Martin, Jaguar, Lotus. Lots of Lotus. And saving the best for last if you're a Formula One fan. The Williams Racing Collection used to be in their own museum in Oxfordshire, near the team headquarters, but now it's found here in Somerset. An ode to the Formula One drivers and the cars. Stop at the store for a book? Or a car for the kids? Or catch a snack in the cafe before hitting the road?